Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to create an architectural art on Crayon. Step into the realm of architectural creativity with Crayon's AI art generator. Let's embark on a journey to create captivating architectural art. First, open the Crayon AI art generator, your portal to unlock boundless artistic possibilities. Next, let your vision take shape by typing out your architectural concept. Imagine a photorealistic render of the Louvre Pyramid in Paris, covered in overgrown vines. Morning. Now, the enhancement begins. Click on Draw and witness the power of Crayon's AI as it transforms your idea into a captivating masterpiece. Behold the result, a unique artwork that brings your architectural vision to life. Remember, the possibilities are endless, from iconic landmarks to imaginative structures. Crayon empowers you to create it all. Immerse yourself in the artistry of architectural expression with Crayon today. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.